Alright, so this is the fourth video. This is a test on the chiller. It's going to be an extended test, obviously, to make sure the fans and stuff are working. You can see inside there, 120 millimeter fans going around 1200 RPM. I have a 300 watt power supply here. 12 volt rail is hooked up to it. Have quick connects and then covered those with some duct tape just to make sure the dogs don't, accidentally cause things to come loose or whatever. And just turning this over, pardon the view for a second here. Only got two hands. Alright, here's the bottom. Okay, this is the hot side, and also another 120 millimeter fan. Both of these push out about 75 cubic feet. Obviously, it's not going to be really that much once you have it pushing directly through this heat sink. It's probably half that. I mean, maybe even less. I don't know. I don't really have a way to figure that out. The section is pretty much sealed up with the exception of a very, very small hole where a wire comes through here, which powers the inside fan. This will also be the same hole that I'm going to have to run any other wires through, things like LEDs and stuff like that. Alright, what we're going to do right now is go ahead and grab our grates. Let me grab that real quick. Don't want everybody to see my super messy house, so you get to see the ceiling for just a second while I'm grabbing the grate. Ta-da! Great. Alright. So, trying to work out this whole one-handed thing. Alright, so the way the grate fits in here basically is just like that, and push it real good. Gotta get it above this. There is a trick to it. I have to get above the part right here where the silicone sticks up so it sits flat. There. Alright, so you can see the fan still spinning through the grate. The reason why I have the grate here is that I want a real world example of how this is going to work. And I have not insulated the top yet, but we're going to just go ahead and see how this works. According to the manual, within 3 hours on standard operating conditions, it should achieve at least 38 degrees difference from the outside temperature. We're going to monitor this with a handy dandy thermometer. This is going to be the thermometer I actually stick on the inside. I have some suction cups and apparently some kind of grass stuck to it. What's up with that? Alright, let's go flip this up. Gotta lick it before you stick it. And probably get it up high. It's giving me trouble here. There we go. Hopefully that'll stick. Alright, so you can see that it is like 72 right now. It's probably hard to see right there. Just right above 70. So what we want to see is for it to get down into the cool side, which is the first blue bar you see there. That is the refrigerated conditions. Since this is a refrigerator monitor, it's not perfectly accurate. It's within just a couple of degrees. I also have a backup too as well. I'm not going to hook it up yet. It's kind of pointless, but I actually have a remote probe that I can put in. It's a little bit more accurate. It's digital. Reads from 32 degrees to 482. Basically what I'm looking for is somewhere between 34 and 40. Anywhere between there I'm pretty happy with. Obviously lower is better, but I'm also going to go ahead and plug this up too as well, and we'll see how that goes. Alright, we'll go ahead and update this video. I'm a little tongue-tied this evening, and it's imperative that I know that this is going to work the way it is, so I don't need to go ahead and make adjustments. If I need to go ahead and buy another Peltier for it to meet the minimum requirements, then I'll go ahead and do that. I mean, it's $10. For the 95 to 135 watt model, it was $10. I'll probably end up going ahead and switching it anyway, but I want to stick with OEM for right now, because once you know something works, or is supposed to work at least, then just stick with that to start out with. You know, you don't hit the ground running or overclocking, 50%. You'll blow up your computer, right? Just start with stock and work your way up. So that's what we're going to do. Hopefully, YouTube will grab this position right here as the happy position, since I held it here for a second. And I'm going to go ahead and upload this for tonight. You guys have a great night. And again, you can see this on EasyRobot.com. This is Josh Starnes for the beverage robot, and you can also see it on JoshStarnesLabs.com coming soon. Have a great day.